Here's the continued voiceover script. The Roku Smart TV 55-inch packs a 120Hz refresh rate into your living room, perfect for gaming and watching live sports. Imagine never missing another goal or shot again. That's what this TV can do. This isn't just any TV, it's an experience. The QLED screen is like having thousands of tiny lights working together to create breathtaking colors and depth. It's like stepping into a new world of entertainment, with vivid highlights, deeper darks, and realistic depth that draws you in. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to clean up your TV signals, optimize them for your smart TV, and automatically refine the color and sharpness, all thanks to Roku Smart Picture Max. No more buffering, no more static, just a seamless viewing experience that takes your entertainment to new heights. And let's not forget about the mount. You can literally stick this TV flat against the wall like a work of art, making it the centerpiece of your living room. Plus, with the hinged bracket for easy access to cables and inputs, you'll never have to deal with clutter again. But here's the thing, this TV isn't just about looks, it's also about performance. With FreeSync Premium Pro, ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, and VRR, Variable Refresh Rate, you can enjoy blistering speed and tear-free gaming that's perfect for both pros and enthusiasts alike. And with Automatic Game Mode, you're dropped right into the action. But what really gets me excited is the sheer amount of entertainment at your fingertips. With Roku's intuitive interface, you can explore popular apps, free movies, shows, and live TV all in one place. It's like having the best streaming service all rolled into one. And with 500 plus TV channels, including live in-season shows, hit movies, weather, local news, and award-winning Roku originals, you'll never be bored again. And did I mention that this TV comes at an unbeatable price? With so many features and benefits, it's like getting a little bit of everything for the price of one. Trust me, once you experience the Roku Smart TV 55-inch, you won't want to go back to your old setup. But wait, there's more. The Roku Smart TV 55-inch also comes with advanced HDR, high dynamic range, capabilities, which bring you even more vivid colors and contrast levels than before. Imagine watching your favorite movies or shows in stunning 4K resolution, with details that pop out at you from every angle. And with Dolby Vision, the ultimate movie format, you can experience a whole new level of cinematic immersion. With HDR10 Plus and HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, this TV is equipped to handle even the most demanding content, ensuring an unparalleled viewing experience that leaves you on the edge of your seat. But don't just take my word for it, let's talk about some real-world benefits. Imagine watching a live sports game with friends and family, where every goal or shot feels like it's happening right in front of you. Or picture yourself playing your favorite games with lightning-fast reflexes and stunning visuals that transport you to another world. With the Roku Smart TV 55-inch, you can enjoy all this and more, at a price that's accessible to everyone. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves to chill out in front of the TV, this is the ultimate entertainment solution for you. And as if all that wasn't enough, this TV also comes with seamless integration with your favorite devices and services. Just think smart home control, voice command, and effortless streaming. With Roku's innovative technology, you can take control of your viewing experience like never before. But don't worry about compatibility issues or complicated settings. The Roku Smart TV 55-inch is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you can dive in right away and start enjoying all its amazing features. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your entertainment game with the Roku Smart TV 55-inch. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants the best viewing experience possible. Trust me, once you make the switch, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.